My hair is a total mess. Here, let me turn this off. It's helicopters. Yeah, definitely. I should film it again. Dude, I'm done. There's a million fucking people here almost. I hear that. So that's what you hear here. I know that picked up because I checked on the video footage. You hear that, and it won't stop until sometimes half an hour. And then, like, you'll notice it because it's quiet and it went away. I've never lived anywhere where I heard that kind of shit. There's definitely a helicopter up there too. Okay, the thing, I don't need to tell anybody this because adults know this. The thing is, there's always helicopters up there and they like circle and they think they're smart. Oh, I've been here long enough. They stay high far enough up that I don't have to tell no military experts this who aren't trying to invade for white control. They think they're high enough so people, no, but you hear it and they don't go away. They're there like almost 24 hours a day, right up there. And they do this aircraft stuff. It's really fucking creepy. And then like around right before the pandemic, it got so brazen. They were just using this whole city as a airport. Just fucking crazy aircraft action. And they're back at it now. Crazy aircraft act. I know that it's been surveyed, so I don't need to preach to the choir. But yeah, that sound, you'll hear it and you'll be like, any regular folk, okay, I talk to regular adults, will be like, what the fuck is that shit? Right, no, it's really weird engine mechanical noise sounds that are coming from here. It's not, I'm not up for the fucking argument with fucking deniers anymore, because the deniers are out for white control and they're neo-Nazis. I'm done. The aircraft really gives it up too. You'll hear this nonstop. It never stops here. And that's just one of the elements. I mean, today there hasn't been insane 911 EMS, or just, it'll start up tomorrow. They like to try to, there has been a lot of helicopters. They use DC. I'm talking to the choir of people who are not out for white power, white control to invade other countries. I'm talking to the choir. They know they use DC as like an air base. It's just fucking horrifying here. Oh, that engine just reminded me. And last night, the jihadists in town, not good. The jihadists, whatever the fuck they think they are, Dre rappers, it's not good. It's not good with their cars. Bye.